Okay, so today we are making or remaking Christmas ornaments. This is a second one which we're gonna make. It's so completely different than the first one. It's also made based on the old plastic. We need a ribbon and piece of fabric which is a little transparent. With some ornaments I picked with the stars because, you know, Christmas, winter, stars look good. It can be even piece of old curtain that you have. Some crystals or rhinestones or some artificial jewelry and a little one piece of a bigger jewel which we're gonna use to connect a bow with the ornament and a tiny ribbon. This is what we're gonna use instead of the hook, the metal hook. Okay, so we have everything ready. Let's start it. Yeah, like I said, this one I cut from the old curtain. Let's remove the plastic piece where the hook is connected. I hate this metal hooks. What we have to do, we have to wrap this piece of fabric around this bulb. We're gonna need a little tiny screwdriver because we will be pushing pieces of fabric inside this little hole that we have. That's why I recommend not to use a glass ornament for this particular one, because there'll be a lot of pressing and pushing and the glass one can break. So it's better to choose the plastic one. We have to, we have to wrap it nice and tight. Bring all the pieces of the fabric together. Make it tight. And now, there is a lot of fabric left. Can you see? Let's hold it with our fingers. And whatever is sticking above our fingers, we have to cut, because we won't be able to push all this fabric inside this little tiny hole. Cut, cut, cut. Okay, let's tighten it again and let's start pushing. Little by little, it will go inside. It's not gonna be easy, but it will go. You can use a screwdriver, you can use how do you call them? Q-tips or I don't know, some piece of wood, but the best is a screwdriver. Almost done. Okay, let's put the plastic part back. This is gonna hold our fabric too. Okay, as far about the colors and decoration that you use for this ornament, it's all up to you. What I'm doing this here is just a suggestion. So it can be red, it can be black, it can be purple, green, yellow, whatever you like. It doesn't have to be the same. It doesn't have to have any design on it. Just try to pick something not too thick. Okay, here we have little crystals that we're going to put with the help of the glue gun. Be careful with the glue gun. Okay, let's speed it up now. These crystals could be actually colorful. Now I see it. For the next one, I'm going to use the multicolor one. These looks like raindrops. I really like them. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay, next step is going to be a bow. We are making a bow from the ribbon. The one that I have is a little transparent. Why? Because the fabric that I used for the ornament is transparent, so I don't want the bow to be too thick and heavy. That's why I picked this one. Okay, now I'm going to show you some trick how to cut a ribbon. See what I'm doing? I'm cutting it. I bend it on half and I'm cutting it from the edge to the center of the bow. Don't cut it straight. Cutting this way, the ends look much better and nice. In my opinion, everything that is different from straight and simple looks better. Okay, the bow that we're going to make is double. So what we're gonna do? Bend it one, bend it twice. See? Now, if we wanted to make it single, we would just tie it, but we want double. So we have to bend it third and fourth time. 4 times, remember. Now, the first 2 pieces that I bent are longer. The second are shorter. That makes the bow look much more nicer and like a more bigger and more fluffy. Now we're gonna cut the other end of the bow. Why I didn't cut a piece? Because before I bend it, I didn't know how much of the ribbon I'm going to use. That's why first I have to bend and make the bow, then I'm cutting the second edge. Same way, from the edge to the center of the ribbon. Okay, let's put it on the side. And let's tie our bow. We have a little smaller piece of a different bow, I mean ribbon. Okay, wrap it around our ball, bend it on half. So these arms, let's call them, of the ball are the same length. And tied it. Voila, this is our ball. Yeah, try to tie it hard. One more time, because it may get loose and fall apart. I've learned the hard way. Okay, we have our bow ready. Yeah, let's adjust it a little bit, make it look fluffy, so it's not too flattened. Okay, we are going to connect this bow with our bubble with help of the jewel. It can be crystal, it can be a charm, it can be any artificial imitation or jewelry. It can be big, it can be small, it's all up to you. We're putting this on the bottom, like try to put it in the middle. Okay, first the jewel. Okay. Again, yes, by the way. Okay, now let's connect the bow to the rest. And I'm sure that following my steps, doing what I'm doing at the same time, you are able to accomplish this. You can stop at any time. You don't have to rewind it again and again and again, because on my videos are not I'm not speeding them up too much, so everybody can follow. And the last part, it's instead of the hook, we're gonna place a little ribbon. Do not cut it straight, like straight. Yeah, that's how we're cutting the ribbon. See how it looks like if you compare? This is like flat, straight, not nice. That's much better. And just tie the knot at the end. And it's ready. It can go on your Christmas tree or on the wall or on the table, anywhere you would like to place that's how we recreate our old Christmas ornaments into the new one. And this is how it looks like.